Welcome, PACA parents, to the 2023-24 school year. I am Mr. Meyer. I'm the new superintendent. I kindly invite you to the open house starting on Saturday, August 12th. It is for all PACA students and their families. Kindly ask you to click on the link and RSVP on this SYMPLA link below.
On this day, PACA families will have the opportunity to meet classroom teachers, see their children's classrooms, and also learn more about the learning environment. Childcare and organized activities will be available for preschool through 8th grade students throughout the morning time.
And following the orientation, we will have our annual family picnic. It is free of charge for PACA families only. So mom and dad and your children, especially your children enrolled at this school. Come, we will serve espetinhos, we will have pastéis, we will have some drinks, and we'll have lots of fun activity for the kids, like a mechanical bull rider or the pula bouncy castle. This is part of our community, and we want you here this day.
This event is very important for parents to participate, so please RSVP on the link below, and we look forward to seeing you on Saturday. It's gonna be a fun day.
Esse é dia maravilhoso para os pais conhecerem professores, salas de aula e outros pais da mesma turma dos filhos, incluindo saber as expectativas de cada professor de seu filho. Logo após a orientação, ou as orientações, vamos ter um piquenique de família. Nós vamos providenciar isso para vocês. Vai ser espetinhos de carne, pastel do bizu, sorvete, bebidas, vai ter brincadeiras e jogos, um touro mecânico, um pula-pula para os seus filhos. Então, pais, mães e filhos, por favor, venham participar desse dia. É parte da nossa comunidade. Faça sua inscrição hoje no SYMPLA. And we will see you at Open House and Family Picnic on Saturday, dia 12 de agosto. Um abraço e até esse dia.